The arrival of high-value U.S.-made military aircraft in Japan marks another step in deepening defense cooperation and bolstering regional security, especially with the introduction of the E-2D Advanced Hawkeye and the V-22 Osprey. These platforms, though very different in design and role, are both critical assets in modern warfare, each bringing unique advantages to the table. When they are unloaded and prepared for service, what stands out is not just their striking appearance, but also the advanced technology and performance capabilities packed into every inch of their design. For Japan, acquiring them is not just about expanding military hardware, but about enhancing situational awareness, mobility, and strategic flexibility in a region that is increasingly defined by complex maritime and air challenges. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, easily recognizable with its large rotating radar dome mounted above the fuselage, represents one of the most sophisticated airborne early warning and control systems in the world. This aircraft is often called the eyes of the fleet because it is designed to detect and track threats at extremely long ranges, giving friendly forces vital early warning of enemy aircraft, ships, or even ballistic missiles. What makes the E-2D stand apart from earlier versions is its powerful and APY-9 radar system. Unlike traditional mechanically scanned array, this radar has both mechanical rotation and electronic scanning, meaning it can cover a much broader area with greater accuracy. It can track hundreds of targets simultaneously and distinguish between actual threats and clutter, even in environments where adversaries might use stealth technologies or jamming. From a performance standpoint, the E-2D is powered by twin turboprop engines that give it an endurance of several hours in the air, allowing it to loiter over strategic areas and continuously monitor the battle space. It is not a fast jet, but rather a persistent presence, designed to stay airborne long enough to provide constant surveillance and command and control support. In operations, it acts as a flying command post, linking together naval ships, ground forces, and fighter aircraft into a single coherent picture. For Japan, with its reliance on maritime defense and a need to cover vast stretches of ocean, this is a game. It means not just spotting threats earlier, but also coordinating responses more effectively, reducing the risk of surprise attacks, and enabling more efficient deployment of interceptors or missile defenses. In terms of design, the E-2D is built around functionality rather than speed or maneuverability. The prominent 24-foot diameter radar dish immediately sets it apart visually, and beneath that are advanced avionics and data link systems. One of its unique selling points is its ability to serve as an airborne battle manager, extending beyond simple detection. Its crew of 5 includes 2 pilots and 3 mission systems operators who manage sensors, communications, and battle coordination tasks. The operators work at sophisticated consoles equipped with multi-function displays, analyzing incoming data and making real-time decisions that can influence the entire course of an operation. Its communication suites allow it to share information seamlessly with other U.S. and allied assets, ensuring that everyone operates with the same updated situational picture. The cockpit has also been modernized compared to earlier models, with digital displays and improved ergonomics that help reduce pilot workload, coupled with the enhanced radar and data processing power. This makes the E-2D far more capable than the older E-2C variants that Japan has already been operating. For a nation like Japan, transitioning to the E-2D represents not just an upgrade, but a significant leap into the newest generation of airborne early warning systems, bringing its defense capabilities closer to those of the United States Navy. Switching focus to the V-22 Osprey, the contrast could not be more striking. Where the E-2D is a high-end surveillance and command aircraft, the V-22 is all about versatility, speed, and mobility. At first glance, the Osprey looks unusual, with its massive tiltrotors mounted on each wing. These allow it to function both as a helicopter and as a fixed-wing aircraft. By tilting the rotors upward, it can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, which means it does not require runways and can operate from ships or remote areas. Once airborne, the rotors tilt forward, and the aircraft flies like a turboprop plane, reaching speeds and ranges that helicopters simply cannot match. The performance numbers are impressive. The V-22 can cruise at around 270 knots, significantly faster than most military helicopters, and has a range of over 1,000 nautical miles with internal fuel. This means it can transport troops, equipment, or supplies over long distances quickly, supporting missions that require both speed and flexibility. In practical terms, it can insert special operations teams behind enemy lines, resupply remote islands, evacuate wounded personnel, or deliver disaster relief supplies to areas cut off by damaged infrastructure. For Japan, a country with numerous islands scattered across its territory, the Osprey offers unmatched operational reach. It can connect bases, support amphibious operations, and provide rapid response capability in case of crises, whether military or humanitarian. The cabin's large enough to carry up to 24 combat-equipped troops, or about 20,000 pounds of internal cargo. It can also sling external loads underneath, expanding its utility even further. With rear ramp access, it can quickly load and unload gear, vehicles, or stretchers, making it highly adaptable to changing mission requirements. The ability to transition from helicopter mode to airplane mode in flight is not just a novelty but a massive tactical advantage. Helicopters are great for short-range vertical lift, but limited by speed and endurance. While fixed-wing transports require runways, the Osprey combines the best of both worlds, effectively filling a gap that neither type of aircraft could address alone. In terms of design elements, the V-22 embodies innovation and complexity. Its tiltrotor mechanism is a remarkable feat of engineering, involving intricate gearboxes and hydraulic systems to allow smooth rotation of the massiveness. This complexity has made it a subject of scrutiny and controversy over the years, but operational experience has proven its effectiveness. Modern upgrades have addressed earlier concerns about safety and reliability. And the Osprey is now a mature and trusted platform. Its fly-by-wire control system assists pilots in handling the aircraft smoothly during transition phases, while redundant systems add to survivability in hostile environments. Defensively, the Osprey can be fitted with countermeasures like radar warning receivers, missile warning systems, and flare dispensers to protect against enemy threats. While not designed as a heavily armed gunship, it can mount a machine gun on its rear ramp for self-protection during landings and takeoffs in contested areas. Its strength lies in speed and flexibility, often getting in and out of areas faster than adversaries can react. From a broader perspective, having both the E-2D and the V-22 gives Japan a complementary set of tools. The E-2D provides unparalleled situational awareness and command capabilities, ensuring that Japanese forces know what is happening around them in real time. The V-22 provides the means to rapidly move forces and equipment to where they are needed, overcoming the geographic challenges posed by Japan's island chain. Together, they support a doctrine of mobility, awareness, and rapid response, which is increasingly vital given regional tensions and the need to safeguard maritime approaches. These acquisitions also symbolize the deepening alliance with the United States. Both aircraft are products of decades of American investment in military technology and are among the most advanced systems in their respective categories. Delivering them to Japan not only strengthens Japan's self-defense forces, but also enhances interoperability between U.S. and Japanese units. For example, a Japanese E-2D could coordinate with U.S. Navy strike groups or air patrols, while Japanese Ospreys could operate alongside U.S. Marines in joint amphibious exercises. This interoperability is a key advantage in coalition operations, where shared platforms and common tactics greatly enhance effectiveness. From a layman's perspective, what makes these aircraft fascinating is how they combine advanced technology with clear, practical utility. The E-2D may not look fast or glamorous, but its radar sees farther than any eye could, serving as an invisible shield that warns of danger long before it arrives. The V-22 may look unconventional, almost like science fiction with its rotating engines, but that design gives it the ability to reach places that would otherwise be inaccessible. Both aircraft show how modern defense systems are not just about power or speed, but about creating options and solving problems that conventional designs could not. For Japan, these options are particularly valuable. Its strategic environment is defined by the need to monitor large expanses of ocean, deter potential adversaries, and maintain the ability to react quickly to changing situations. The E-2D enhances the watchful eye in the sky, ensuring no threat goes unnoticed, while the V-22 enhances reach and mobility, ensuring forces can get to where they are needed. Whether it is intercepting hostile aircraft, monitoring maritime traffic, supporting amphibious landings, or rushing supplies to an island struck by a natural disaster, these platforms give Japan the ability to act faster and with greater confidence. On the technical side, both aircraft also demonstrate how engineering innovation translates into operational advantage. The radar dome of the E-2D is not just a spinning dish, but a gateway into a digital battle space, where information dominance is as important as physical power. The tiltrotor mechanism of the V-22 is not just a curiosity, but a transformative leap that redefines what an aircraft can do. These are not incremental upgrades, but radical steps that reshape roles and missions in military operations. Observers often point to the cost of such advanced systems, and it is true that both the E-2D and V-22 are expensive to acquire and operate. But their value lies in the problems they solve and the capabilities they unlock. For Japan, investing in them is a way of future-proofing its defense forces, ensuring they can operate effectively in a region where threats are evolving rapidly. They also send a message of commitment, both domestically and internationally, signaling that Japan is serious about defending its territory and contributing to regional stability. Ultimately, watching these aircraft being unloaded in Japan is not just about the spectacle of advanced machines arriving on foreign soil. It is about understanding the strategic significance they carry, the technological sophistication they embody, and the operational flexibility they provide. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye and the V-22 Osprey each represent decades of development and hard-learned lessons in modern warfare. Now, as part of Japan's arsenal, they stand ready to enhance both defense and deterrence in one of the most strategically important regions of the world.